morning, everybody. Namaskara. Jai Jnendra. I have been associated with PIYAS since 2007 when my wife Smita got me here for treatment of gout, rheumatic arthritis, migraine and BP and many other diseases. I used to take 23 tablets per day for over 2 months and was very frustrated. After doing yoga, meditation and taking various treatments here, I lost 21 kgs in 3.5 months. We have also seen people with different and varied types of diseases and sufferings being treated here in PIYAS with amazing and wonderful results. My father, Sri Alamchand Jain, who spoke just now, he's not taking insulin after being treated here, and he's been doing yoga and following the diet which is being prescribed by the PIYAS team. I have not seen God, मैंने भगवान को नहीं देखा है, but I have seen Dr. Neetu Jain, who is God to many of us. वो हमारे लिए भगवान से कम नहीं है. She is God to us. All the best PIYAS for future. Keep doing what you have been since ages for their selfless and human service to mankind. They deserve a round of applause and a standing ovation, ladies and gentlemen. I request one and all to give them a standing ovation.